The only way for your business to stay ahead is for you to take the time to focus on your business. I'm Dianne Boorman, a business growth specialist, and I'm going to challenge you, encourage you, support you. I help add practical business knowledge while finding new opportunities and new ideas for growth. Business growth means different things to different people. Finding your passion at the moment is no longer enough. If you're going to grow, you need to surround yourself with the right people through collaborations, JVs, partnerships, virtual boards, and so much more. In order to compete successfully in our market today, you have to move from working in your business to working on your business. It's now time to step up and step up for growth. Stay relevant, stay focused. When you understand your client's needs of tomorrow, today, that's when you become a market magnet for growth. Let's grow your business together.